speech competition. Be
Yes,
ready.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Time limit for speech is 2 minutes. Sorry.
Ma'am.
First, Shambhavi Singh. शांभवी सिंह वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. As we all know, today's topic is transforming global health. So I'm going to talk about how COVID-19 is transforming world healthcare system and its effect on health and pharma sector. The global coronavirus pandemic is proving to be a severe moment of truth for health systems around the world. Healthcare systems are still experiencing convulsive changes. Since globalization has contributed to the spread of COVID 19 around the world, we require an equivalent globalization of scientific, medical, public health efforts informed by a shared purpose and goals, as well as a wider cooperation to counter this or any other future pandemics. The crisis has exposed many gaps and underinvestments in healthcare systems globally. As example, we see USA, whose highly fragmented health systems and underdeveloped public health capabilities are struggling to combat the pandemic. On the other hand, there are countries like Singapore, Taiwan, Germany, Iceland have been more successful in flattening the curve and preventing deaths. Now, if we talk about India, we know that Indian pharmaceutical industry is the third largest drug producer by volume. India and China are major producers of APIs, active pharmaceutical ingredients, which is used in antivirals and antibiotics. These countries account for almost 80% of chemicals used to make drug in Europe and 31% of world's API manufacturing. Out of crisis comes learning and innovation globally. We need to build more sustainable health system for a safer world in the decades to come. Some points which I will like to highlight. First, we need to develop global standards.
शांभवी
Yes, ma'am.
प्लीज आप वीडियो ऑन करिए. Okay, fine.
Am I visible? Okay. Out of crisis comes learning and innovations. Globally, we need to build more sustainable health systems for a safer world in the decades to come. Some points which I would like to highlight. We need to develop global standards. Second, need to take a more holistic approach to design any governance of national health systems since we have seen the consequences of avoiding it. Third, countries will have to push health systems towards a more integrated and value-based approach. Fourth, boosting productivity. 85% of APIs are imported from China. So we need to boost productivity and efficacy in India only to make ingredients more cost competitive and reduce India's dependency on China. For example, if we see Cipla's API manufacturing plant in Karkum, India is a good example of this. It has embraced power of technology very well. Cipla produces APIs as well as finished products for COVID-19 treatments. Fifth, we need to increase exports more. Sixth, need to support research and development. For example, Lupin, a drug-making based company in Mumbai, which is using data science and analytics. And now, last but not the least, digitalization. A rapid uptake of digital technology in today's healthcare sector, since pharma companies have to respond, recover, and thrive times and becomes crucial for them to take digital routes. Technology eases out the process of capturing, analyzing, and sharing data among practitioners and patients. So, COVID-19 pandemic reminds
thank
world
you.
leaders
Thank you, Shambhavi.
that
Thank you.
underinvestment. Okay.
प्लीज
Thank you.
आप लोग ध्यान दीजिए कि टाइम लिमिट सिर्फ 2 मिनट है. नेक्स्ट पवन पटेल फ्रॉम थर्ड ईयर. पवन पटेल
Yes, ma'am.
वीडियो ऑन करिए. प्लीज टाइम लिमिट का ध्यान दीजिएगा. 2 मिनट.
Yes, ma'am. हमारे सम्मानित प्रबंधक सर, डायरेक्टर सर, रजिस्ट्रार सर, एवं हमारे सभी शिक्षक एवं अतिथिगण, मेरे सीनियर एवं जूनियर एवं मेरे प्यारे साथियों को वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आज यानी 25 सितंबर को पूरी दुनिया में वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे मनाया जा रहा है। फार्मासिस्ट डे दुनिया भर के उन फार्मासिस्ट को समर्पित होता है जो आज सेहत के क्षेत्र में विशेष भूमिका निभाने के साथ साथ अपना खास योगदान भी दे रहे हैं। हम सभी स्वस्थ रहते हैं, इसके पीछे इन फार्मासिस्ट की कड़ी मेहनत जुड़ी हुई है, जो रात दिन मेहनत करके दवाएं और वैक्सीन बनाते हैं। मैं उन सभी फार्मासिस्ट और सभी फार्मासिस्ट परिवार को वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। इसी के साथ मैं अपने सभी फार्मासिस्ट भाइयों के लिए कहूंगा कि चलते रहेंगे पथ पर, चलने में माहिर बन जाएंगे, या तो मंजिल मिल जाएगी या तो अच्छे मुसाफिर बन जाएंगे। और
थैंक यू पवन।
सभी को धन्यवाद देते हुए, ब्रिजराज सर को स्पेशली धन्यवाद देते हुए कि उन्होंने इस कोरोना काल में, जब हम लोग एक दूसरे को देख नहीं पा रहे, एक दूसरे से बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इस समय में ब्रिजराज सर ने और CSM ग्रुप में ये मौका हम लोगों को दिया है। इसी के साथ सबको धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं अपना स्पीच खत्म करता हूँ। थैंक यू मैम।
नेक्स्ट राजवीर सिंह, थर्ड ईयर। राजवीर सिंह। रुक 2 मिनट वेट करना। राजवीर सिंह। नेक्स्ट रोहित पटेल, थर्ड ईयर।
Yes, ma'am.
वीडियो ऑन करिए। रोहित पटेल,
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
वीडियो ऑन करिए और हाँ स्पीच कंटिन्यू करिए।
There are more than 100 types of cancer. Any part of body can be affected. In 2008, 7.6 million people died of cancer, 13% of all deaths worldwide. About 70% of all cancers deaths occur in low and middle income countries. Worldwide, the 5 most common types of cancer that are men are lungs cancer, stomach cancer, liver cancer, colorectal cancer, esophagus cancer. Worldwide, the 5 most common cancer that kill women are breast, lungs, stomach, colorectal, cervical cancer. Fact number 6, tobacco use in the single largest preventable cause of cancer in the world, causing 25% of cancer deaths. Fact number 7, 1 by 5% of all cancers are caused by a chronic infections, human papillon virus, HPV, cervical cancer. Fact number 8, can be cured is detected early and treated. Fact number 9, all patients can be helped if knowledge about pain control is applied. Fact number 10, 30% of the cancer could be prevented. Tobacco, healthy diet, physically active, moderate alcohol. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Mohammad Wasif from second year. Mohammad Wasif. Okay. Mansi Verma, second year.
A very
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning to all of you, my teachers and my dear friends. First of all, happy Pharmacist Day to you
मोहम्मद
all.
वासिफ
Yes, ma'am.
वीडियो ऑन करिए.
On है ma'am. वीडियो आ रहा है मैम.
मोहम्मद वासिफ
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
वेट अ मिनट. मोहम्मद वासिफ स्टार्ट करिए. मोहम्मद वासिफ स्टार्ट
Yes,
करिए.
ma'am. Very good afternoon to you all, my teachers and my dear friends. First of all, happy Pharmacist Day to you all. Today, on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day, I want to tell you something about this. The Pharmacist Day is celebrated on 25th September every year all over the world. The main purpose of this day is to encourage the role and activities of a pharmacist in improving health in every corner of the world. The World Pharmacist Day was established by International Pharmaceutical Federation in 2009 in Istanbul, Turkey. They choose 25th September because on this day, the International Pharmaceutical Federation was founded. Every year, there is a theme announced by International Pharmaceutical Federation for World Pharmacist Day. The theme of this year is Transforming Global Health. Pharmacists represent the third largest healthcare professional group in the world, and in India, there are more than 10 lakhs registered pharmacists working in various positions, applying their unique knowledge and skills to contributing in health of the nation. Pharmacists work long hours, usually standing the entire time, along with dispensing pills and providing advice on medication. Pharmacist not a physician, but he also know about diagnosis. Pharmacist not MBA graduate, but he also know about management. Pharmacist not a pathologist, but he also know about blood testing. I believe that all pharmacists deserve strong recognition for their vital healthcare role and the services they provide to the consumers. Happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Mansi Verma, second year.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself, Mansi Verma from B Pharmacy Second Year, Section A.
Mansi, wait a minute. Video on करिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mansi,
Yes,
start.
ma'am. Myself, Mansi Verma from B Pharmacy Second Year, Section A. A very pleasant good afternoon to everyone, to our honorable chief guest, to our honorable Vijay sir, Registrar sir, HOD sir, to our honorable Mr. Kunwar Singh sir, and all my lovely teachers and respected teachers and all my dear friends. Happy Pharmacist Day to everyone. I welcome you all on the 25th September on the occasion of Pharmacist. On the occasion of Pharmacist Day is being celebrated here to show some gratitude towards the pharmacist, a driving force behind discovering new medicines, who leave their present in improving health in every corner of the world. And the pharmacy, what is the pharmacy? The pharmacy is actually the art and practice or a profession of preparing and dispensing medicines, medical drugs, and it's called a pharmacy. And the pharmacist that only one who provides the optimal management of medication of chronic diseases and help the patient to take care the properly medications and avoid the harmful effects. Now, I want to say something that being a pharmacist is not just a profession, as people live and lie in our hands, But at last, I want to say, last but not least, that my presence is antiseptic, my smile is analgesic, my feeling is antipyretics. That's why I'm a pharmacist. A lot of thanks to everyone for your valuable attention and precious time. Happy Pharmacist Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Khushbu Pal, second year. Khushbu Pal. Khushbu Yadav.
To ma'am.
Khushbu Pal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, वीडियो ऑन करिए.
Ma'am, and I'm Kripal, B from second year. First of all,
खुशबू वेट अ मिनट, रुक जा बेटा. वीडियो ऑन करिए खुशबू. ओके, स्टार्ट.
ma'am on है. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Khushbu Pal, B from second year. First of all, I wish a very the Pharmacist Day. Today, I would like to thank my dear respected man who gave me this golden chance to say something on the World Pharmacist Day, and my also respected dear faculty members and my senior sir and my friends who hearing me. And as we know, today we gather here through this Zoom meeting to the celebration of World Pharmacist Day. To establish the World Pharmacist Day, and first of all, we know that we celebrate the World Pharmacist Day. The world internationally, the FRD observed Council in Istanbul in 2009 to observe the World Pharmacist Day on 25 September, because on this day the FRD came into existence in 1930, and we celebrate the World Pharmacist Day. And what is
Okay,
the
thank you, Khushbu. Khushbu, thank you. Next, Khushbu Yadav, second year. खुशबू
Yes, ma'am.
यादव, वीडियो ऑन करिए.
Yes, ma'am. A very good afternoon to everyone. First of all,
खुशबू
happy
यादव, वीडियो
Pharmacist.
ऑन करिए. वीडियो ऑन करिए.
Yes, ma'am. A very good afternoon to everyone. First of all, happy Pharmacist Day. Respected honorable chief guests, faculty members, teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. Myself, Khushbu Yadav from B Form second year. I would like to express a very thankful for giving me opportunity to speak for Pharmacist Day. World Pharmacist Day has several activities organized all over the world and to highlight the importance of medicine experts and to make understand about the role of pharmacists in the medical world. Pharmacists play an important role in helping people get the best result from their medication. जली को आग कहते हैं, जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राग कहते हैं, और फार्मासिस्ट को मेडिकल फील्ड की आग कहते हैं. The theme of the World Pharmacist Day 2020, transforming global health. The theme of the World Pharmacist Day, opportunity to communicate a pharmacist transforming health through the variety of health service in their communities. The World Pharmacist Day was created by International Pharmaceutical Federation Council at the Congress of Pharmacy, Istanbul, Turkey, 2009. 25th September was chosen this day because on this date, International Pharmaceutical Federation existence come on the election 1912. The main aim of this day encourage role and activities of the pharmacists improving health in all over the world. Pharmacists play the important role medicine quality to provide the patient, to advise the patient medicine, how to take medicine. During COVID-19 pandemic, pharmacists play an important role such as delivering medicine to the patient, patient care, infection control, and support healthcare professionals. Pharmacist is not only arts of medicine, it's also about care and love for humanity. कहते हैं जिंदगी बचाने वाला डॉक्टर, कहते हैं जिंदगी बचाने वाला डॉक्टर भगवान का रूप होता है, तो यह कहना गलत नहीं है, जो भगवान को बचा ले उसे फार्मासिस्ट कहते हैं. At last, finally, I want to request all the students, you should never give up, keep walking and keep trying. Trust God and always believe good things to come. राहें मुश्किल होंगी हजार पर तू कदम बढ़ा तो सही, राहें मुश्किल होंगी हजार पर तू कदम बढ़ा तो सही, तेरा डीआई बनने का सपना होगा भी साकार, तू शुरुआत कर तो सही. लास्ट में इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी, पाना है जो मुकाम वो अभी बाकी है, पाना है जो मुकाम वो अभी बाकी है, अभी तो आए हैं जमीन पर, अभी आसमान की उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो आए हैं जमीन पर, अभी तो आसमान की उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो लोगों ने सुना है मेरा नाम, अब इस नाम की पहचान बनाना बाकी है. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Now next Manish, second year. Manish, video on करिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Manish, video on करिए. Speech start करिए अपनी.
Hello, everyone. My name is Manish Kumar Kodar. Welcome to teacher and student and guest. Today of subject World Pharmacist Transforming Global Health is the focus of the World Pharmacist 2020. Transforming global health this is year World Pharmacist Day marketing on 25 September. The International Pharmaceutical Federation announced today. World Today Pharmacist Day being celebrated then day is dedicated to the pharmacists all over the world, and let them celebrate of the pharmacist student that is come to a near features in our healthy living and happy living. Pharmacists have a great role as well as pharmacist. A pharmacist is the chemist. It is a person who has complete knowledge and medicine. Dedicated to the some pharmacists worldwide today. The International or World Pharmacist Day 2020 is being celebration this day, celebrating those pharmacists. This everyone how important they are to us. Pharmacists who play is the important role in the health sector. On September 25 every year since 2009, dedicated this day to the honor them. There is World Pharmacist Day celebrated to the illuminate contribution. This year we are going to celebrate the 10th World Pharmacist Day.
Okay, Manish. Okay, thank you. Vivek Dwivedi, second year.
इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स है. ठीक है, अभी जो कीजिए है, ठीक है, इसमें फिर से आपको टाई अप हुआ था, कंट्रोवर्शियल आया है, आंसर यहाँ पे सुनाई नहीं पड़ा था, तो इसमें ये हुआ था ना कि ए के आंसर दिया, तो अभी ए और बी दोनों तैयार रहेंगे. इस स्पीच के बाद स्पीच समाप्त होगी तो किसको फिर से आपको आंसर ए बी को देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तब फाइनल डिसीजन होगा. ठीक है, कंटिन्यू.
विवेक कुमार द्विवेदी, सेकेंड ईयर. विवेक प्रेजेंट है आप? संदीप कुमार, सेकेंड ईयर.
Very good afternoon, all of you. I am Sandeep Kumar Yadav, B Pharmacy.